welcome Adam.
Kaczmarczyk.
Oh, wow. I'll leave it to you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Project manager from Aluprof. Adam joined Aluprof team in 2015, but he have worked in windows and curtain walling business through his whole professional career since 2006. He has valuable professional experience in facade designer, site manager and project manager, which he has gathered working in Poland and abroad. In countries like Germany, UK, Ireland, and Spain, where he had the chance to participate in interesting projects across Europe. Currently responsible for ready-made projects abroad, but also for market development in Canada.
Yeah, all correct.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please, the stage and the word is yours.
Yes, may I please have my presentation? Good afternoon, everybody. As already presented, my name is Adam Kaczmarczyk. I am project and product manager at Aluprof, Polish leading aluminum system suppliers for windows, doors, facades, element facades. First of all, I feel a bit disappointed for not being able to meet you live in Ljubljana, but yeah, we all know what is the situation we are facing currently in Europe and across the globe. Just some information about Aluprof. We make annual sales of over 340 million euros per year. We employ over 2,300 people. We have over 65 years of experience in the market, and our network is 1,400 clients. Within our assortment, you will find windows and door systems in aluminum, facade system, and roller shutter system. Can we please go one slide back? Yeah, okay, thank you. We are located in a beautiful city in Bielsko-Biała in the south of Poland. On your left-hand side, you can see our headquarters and our warehouse, where we keep most of our system components, most popular ones. On your right-hand side, you can see our another plant, which is plant in Opole, which is dedicated for production of system for rolling shutters, garage doors, commercial and industrial gates. Another Aluprof location is a plant in Goleszów. We'll come to that. This is a location where all of our, among others, all of our US projects were brought to life, so to say. All of the elements creating projects that I will show you later on have been fabricated here. And on your right-hand side again is a plant in Zlotów where all of our construction accessories are created. We are present via our foreign subsidiaries, 10 countries. We export to over 55 countries across the globe. This is the place where our adventure with aluminium starts, so to say, the extrusion plant in Kęty, or our mother company, close to Bielsko-Biała, also south of Poland. Some pictures from our headquarters in Bielsko-Biała. Warehouse we are particularly proud of. Some modern powder shop plant, 3 actually powder coating lines currently at Aluprof, and 8 next generation lines for production of profiles and shutter boxes. Some pictures from another stage of production of the facade, our plant in Goleszów. This is the place where, as I told you, all of our US projects have been fabricated, all of our elements. Cutting, assembling, and glazing takes part here. After that, ready-made elements are stored in this facility before they are being shipped to their final destination on site. One of new things at Aluprof is our latest, so to say, treasure. Built in 2019, our R&D department, our R&D center. This is the place where we are able to pre-test or test elements according to the 2 requirements architects set us, which is air permeability, water penetration, window roll resistance, and many other project-specific testing. We cooperate closely with the IFT Rosenheim Institute in Germany, but also the Polish Institute, ITB in Warsaw. Just a quick overview of certifying bodies we closely cooperate with. once we enter with our products a foreign market, a different market, we usually have to fulfill market-specific requirements and test our products to specific needs. So these are just a few certifying bodies that we are familiar with where our products have been tested to fulfill local requirements. We try to keep our business socially responsible. A part of that, it's not only about aluminum. Kente Group, so our mother company, has created a foundation dedicated to support local kids in Bielsko-Biała living in orphanages. So once again, just a quick overview of what we can offer you as a system supplier. It all comes to, in the end, to tailor-made solution. But before that, you know that we have within our portfolio, we have facade system, window door systems, and roller shutter system. This is all what I've already told you. A part of that, just a reminder, we also have anti-burglary system from RC2 to RC4 class. So these can also be found. We're also experts in fire protection and smoke exhaust systems. So windows, doors, smoking vents, that's all to be found at Aluprof. Front entry doors for single family residences or dwellings, one of our products as well. But also passive solutions like passive windows, passive doors, and passive facades. Among our products, you will find products that have been certified by the Passive House Institute in Darmstadt. You can see two curtain wall systems here, windows and door system, but also roller shutter system. One of our recently developed system is the MB Skyline, which basically is an answer to a demand for big surface glazings with basically no profiles visible. On the right-hand side, you can see that all the guides for the sliding, for this particular sliding doors, are embedded either in the floor or hidden above the suspended ceiling in this room. And what's worth to mention, the intermediate profiles are only 25 millimeters wide, giving you best possible perspective of the view outside the building. As I mentioned, thanks to our R&D department, we are also able to provide tailor-made solution to fast answering to each and every possible demand towards curtain wall. The projects, or mainly US projects, I'll present you later on in the presentation, will be all based on tailor-made solutions. Our libraries supporting BIM design are to be found on a couple of web pages. Here you can find the addresses. When it comes to bespoke solutions, I would like to give you a quick overview of our recently accomplished or ongoing projects. One of these is a project in Warsaw, which is called Mennica Tower. Unlikely, we have also carried out part of the installation for this particular project. This project has been pre-certified according to BREEAM requirements to an outstanding level. Another project I would like to show you is one of our US projects, Skyview Park in New York. What was particularly demanding and challenging here was a quite high acoustic requirement toward the facade. Another project in New York is 125 Green Street with Vignoli Architects, for which a dedicated unitized facade system was developed, MBSE 98SG. Just a quick overview of this is the mock-up element on the right that we had to deliver as well as part of the job. We are ambassador member of the Polish Green Building Council. So we try to support the green buildings, so to say, as such. There are quite a few buildings within Poland, Europe, and basically worldwide that have been either certified according to LEED or BREEAM requirements. Just a quick overview of these as well. So once again, this is the 125 Greenwich Street, New York. What I did not mention is that you can see on the right-hand side top, there were some quite impressive concrete slab movements that we had to overcome, providing a possible movement of the elements of the facade independently one from another. So a dedicated gasket system between the models had to be developed in order to fulfill this requirement. Another US project was the Brooklyn Navy Yard project. Again, different type of gasket here for a dedicated facade system. Yet again, another of our US projects, 325 Lexington Street. '61 9th Avenue in New York. Another project with Vignoli Architects, certified to LEED requirements on a gold level. A Polish example of a green building, BREEAM certificate level, very good, the Proximo office, Warsaw in Poland. Nimbus office in Poland, same level of certificate. One of our standard system, no dedicated solutions here. The KTW office building developed with Medusa Group Architects. Another example of BREEAM certified building with Aluprof systems. Same story, left-hand side, you can see the building. It's to be seen from a couple of kilometers within the center of Katowice. Quattro Business Park in Krakow, another one, BREEAM certified building developed with APA Kuryłowicz and Associates, with our standard solutions, standard transluminant facade, some fire resistant intern doors, and MB70 US windows. Couple of our UK projects. This is the Royal Wharf in London, in Great Britain. And the Broadgate Circle in London. This is a project that has been completed end of 2019. Poseidon Szczecin. I'm mentioning this because it may not look too impressive from the outside, but this is you can see here, Poland's biggest living green wall incorporated into the building. So this is something that's also worth seeing and worth watching. If you're interested in any of our system, please visit one of the below listed www pages. DWGs and Revit files are available there. You can also find me or my colleagues in the workshops that will take place at 3:30 p.m. today. So yeah, feel free to contact us. Thank you for your attention.